Hi everyone, I'm Travis, and this is my YouTube channel, Travis Gets Creative. Hello, and welcome. It's been a few weeks since I've posted anything new, so I'm excited to bring you another unboxing today. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I just stayed home with family and kind of relaxed for the day. We had a few oven issues, so that was interesting, but I'll talk more about that in my whip and chat. So definitely keep an eye out for when that gets posted. I'm planning on working on it after this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the fun, exciting process of unboxing this. This is a package of goodies that I ordered from Atlanta. I met Atlanta through Nyx's lives on Saturday, and I quickly learned that she had her own Etsy store. From Ashes We Rise Apothecary is the name of it, and of course I'll have all of the necessary links down below so you can find the information for yourself. Yeah, so I found out that she had this Etsy shop, and I've kind of been looking at it the last probably couple of months, just kind of seeing what I want, kind of window shopping through my screen. Is there a specific term for that? I don't know. But that's beside the point. See, this is why I edit. I have all these random thoughts that I edit out so you don't have to listen to them. Okay, I'm just going to stop talking and we're going to open this up. So, oh, look at this. This is wonderful packaging. So we've got, looks like a little sticker here that says Carpe Diem. Embrace the day, thoughtfuls. That's cool. I like that. I could use that in my art journal. From Ashes We Rise Apothecary. This is her business card. Oh. Sorry. Oh, it says From Ashes We Rise Apothecary. Owner Atlanta Einert, I think is how you say it. I have Nyx's voice in the back of my head telling me how to say it too. There's her website, email, Facebook information, and Instagram information. So, as I said, that information will be in the description below. And, so we've got a little card here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's cute. A little marshmallow man. Oh, sorry, ignore my nails. I had this color on all of these fingers and had some issues on the day of Thanksgiving with some gloves. I put some top coat over it because they were starting to peel, and then I was an idiot and put gloves on before they were totally dry. So they were kind of smushed up. And on this hand, I had some of those, I think they're called decals or wraps that my friend Stacy purchased for me, and they finally started to peel off, so I removed them too. I'm giving them a little bit of a break, and then I'm going to put some acetone on them and get all the gunk off. Let's see here. This is cute. Alright, it says, Travis, thank you so much for supporting my business and my cause. It means the world to me. I hope you enjoy everything you ordered. Have a great Thanksgiving and holiday season. Always Atlanta. Kick back and have a relaxing holiday. That's cute. I love that. I'm going to set that up so I can look at it. Alright, so these are my goodies. I love this cute gingerbread sticker. And the wrapping says ho ho ho. So it's very festive for the holidays, which I like. Oh, and I tore. There we go. Alright, so we've got a packing slip with everything that I purchased. And it just confirms the price, so it's just like a standard packing slip. And we've got a little sample, it looks like here. Peppermint Dreams lotion. Well, that's cool. I will enjoy that. I'm one of those people that really likes peppermint, so I love peppermint candies and peppermint tea and peppermint candles and melts. Actually, all throughout high school, I used to carry peppermint mints with me, and I just snack on them throughout the day. They were just like my candy. I don't know why I was going to put those up there. I'll put them over here. Alright, so I ordered 6 items. Let's get some of this stuff out here. Well, that's cute. This is an orange cranberry lotion and an orange cranberry sugar scrub. And this is a scrub and lotion set that I purchased. Whoops. It wasn't very helpful, was it? So it was $13 for both of these. And where am I going? Here we go. So it's just one orange cranberry sugar scrub and one orange cranberry lotion. I'm very excited to work with those. They also are sold individually, but I decided to just get the set because I wanted both of them. So there are some items in here that I was going to gift someone, but I haven't decided if I'm going to or not, just because they're fussy people. So this is a raspberry jam bath bomb. It's got sodium bicarb, citric acid, polysorbate 80, fragrance oil, mica, and I remember in the listing it said that the coloring is skin safe, which I really appreciate. So raspberry bath bomb, and it's shaped like a donut, which I thought was really cute. I believe, where are you? There we go. Then I also picked up this jar of Brains lotion. It was one of the holiday or Halloween themed items. I'm just gonna see if I can open it and get a sniff. Oh, that smells good. That kind of reminds me of a sweet tart. That's lovely. And I purchased these. This is a set of spearmint and eucalyptus shower steamers. So I've never used these before, but I kind of have heard of them. I believe you put them in the part of your shower that gets wet, but not under direct water. Like, you don't want it lying in the water, because then it'll just dissolve on you. But if it's some moisture, then it'll slowly dissolve and release steam. And spearmint and eucalyptus are good for the sinuses. And as someone that has stuffy nose pretty much constantly, that's going to be very helpful for me, especially this time of year with the cold. Just going through and making sure I didn't miss anything, which I don't believe I have. Oh, I did. Oh, that's cool. We also got these cool keychains. Feather. Oh, that's wonderful. I actually have a 17-year-old brother that just started driving, and I'm sure he will love one of these. And I'll keep the other one for myself. So thank you, Atlanta. That's perfect. Alright, I'm just going to do a double check. I think that is it. Okay. Perfect. Sorry about my phone going off. It's making noises. So we will put that to the side. And then I can show you what else I got. Alrighty then. I also picked up some lip balms, which I thought would be good for this time of year. I've been using that, I think it's called Carmex, and it works okay. I mean, it's what my mom always used. But I thought it would be fun to try something new, and I wanted to support Atlanta's shop, so I thought I would pick these up. The first one is part of her holiday seasonal stuff, and it is called Gingerbread, which I'm excited about. And the other one I picked up is Honey. I think I'm going to start with the gingerbread just because it's that time of year. Let me get this open. I will show you what it looks like. Oh, it comes in this little canister, like most chapsticks come in. So that's what it looks like. It looks standard, like any other chapstick. No, it does smell good. Speaking of a stuffy nose, I have a stuffy nose right now. I'm not really getting gingerbread from it. More like light brown sugar, maybe? It goes on very well. So her formulation that she's using, whatever waxes and oils and stuff, it's really soft, and my lips already feel much better. This is perfect. Definitely give her shop a look. I don't know if there are any holiday sales going on right now, but it's definitely the time to take a peek and find some. These items would all make wonderful gifts, or you can keep them for yourself. I think the bath bomb, definitely, and then these two are going to be gifts for people, and then I'm keeping the other lotion, the steamers, and the lip balms for myself, because I need them. So yeah, thank you so much, Atlanta. As I said, links will be in the description below. Go check out her goodies and pick yourself up some. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, post them below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a wonderful holiday season, and please make sure to check out my whip and chat video that should be going up either later today or tomorrow. Take care. I appreciate you all being here, and I will see you soon. Bye.